little quick fix that makes it easy to repair. So just look at the video, and this is only 20 minutes. So all you need to do is just slightly brush all the chips, and when you're done, you go over each nails. Just you touch with the very tip of the brush, and you don't worry about if you smudge a little bit over, because you will clean it up after. And just go over very, very lightly. Now this is for a quick fix, but you can see there's a lot of chip, but I don't want to go out like this because I have to go pick up the pie tonight. We have some family over, and I don't want to go and looking like that. And I don't really have the time to take off my nail polish because the red takes a long time to clean it up. So just hit just the very tip, only what needs to be fixed, and go over slightly, very light. And just like that, you're waiting. Now, to make sure your finishing look is well polished, I will suggest to use a gel, but not the gel that you put under the UV light, the gel that dries naturally. And just go over, and this will give you a nice
all that red off,
finishing
and I will
look,
look messy,
and
I
you're
don't want
ready
that. So
to go out the door.
this would get me run and roll.